Alright, what's up, y'all? So we finna just be exploring.
Bro, you know your phone is on your face?
Yeah.
Right close?
Yeah, I know. My intro awkward.
Fucking rock climbing shoes for this.
Hell yeah.
Bitch, I'm in Crocs.
Hell yeah.
But this don't feel safe.
What?
You still recording?
Yeah.
We was thinking about going. Well, no, we finna. Hey, let's do a video on going to the truck stop.
Huh?
We just left from there.
I know.
We gonna go further in there.
We finna go on
I
the truck
went the
stop.
furthest.
You still
I
videotaping?
actually went farther.
You still videotaping right now?
I went
I
inside.
knocked on the door.
I went inside.
Alright, watch out.
Inside the truck stop?
Yes.
No, we going to what? We gonna go through this one?
Yeah.
How the fuck we gonna get through? It's cut off.
We gonna go up on the rock.
Yeah. DJ got it. I'm smart. Because I made it. But DJ won.
Hold up.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Somebody.
Oh shit!
Hey, put your phone up, bro.
It was a
Wow.
whole-
You gotta put your phone up because you might drop
Yeah,
that
we
shit.
can blow that shit up.
What?
No, I ain't put it in my mouth.
I'm doing this for y'all. If my phone dropped, bro. Alright, we at the truck stop, like we low key at it. And write in the comments if at night at 3 a.m. or at nighttime y'all want me to go down in that tunnel. Hey, I told them to comment down below if they want me to go in that tunnel.
Fuck no.
In the nighttime too.
Go, nigga.
Yeah,
Snakes
no.
on foot.
Oh, shit!
What?
That was
That
him.
was me.
That scared the fuck out of me.
Alright, look, truck stop right there. You see the truck?
I saw a snake.
No
walking around.
clickbait. No clickbait.
This nigga said no clickbait. No click. Alright, so what we do now?
Yeah, I see that. Hold up. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna tie my shoes up.
I never knew.
Come on. Yeah, that's open. I think somebody in there, y'all. Look, that's open. See that right there? Let's see if it's some people. Come on, y'all. Come on. Run line. You still recording?
This sound like a dookie drop.
Yeah, alright, shut up.
What's your channel name?
Oh, hell no.
Dick Rail.
Alright, come on. No, I gotta blur it out. It's really big.
You heard what he said? He said he not lying.
Chill. You gay, bro. Look at these
I don't know
niggas.
the trail through this. That's what I'm telling you.
Alright, bro. So basically, if I see somebody, I'm gonna zoom it in for y'all. And I swear to God on anything. Then they tell
Y'all trying to go inside there?
us not to come back.
Yeah.
They told us not to
We
come
just
back.
in here skateboarding while I was skateboarding. I don't know what he was doing. He was falling.
Hold up.
He walking through this shit like it's not cool. It's not. Nigga, this is jungle. No. If I had my phone now, I would cool. Alright, y'all, we going inside the truck.
You got 100 followers, so
Yeah, I know. The
Yeah.
subscribers. I got 1 million. Stop lying. I hit 1 million yesterday.
that nigga lying. Shut up.
You got a shit.
Nah, I got 0.
I got 5. My name Iso with CJ, but I'm doing some adventure shit. I'm gonna zoom if I see somebody, cause we not supposed to be here. So yeah, I'm finna go explore. Why these niggas doing? You coming with me, man?
Yeah, I ain't exploring.
Tell me if y'all see people. Oh shit, hold on. I heard some shit. Oh shit, look. Somebody right there. He going through the building. Oh shit, what the fuck? If y'all want me to do a part 2 on this, cause we not supposed to be here. Oh shit. Hold on, let me see what these like. They just left me. Oh shit, bro, just came back out. Look. Y'all see it? Oh, I think he went back down. But look, they left me.
Truck's coming. Truck's coming. Hurry up, get down.
Truck's coming. That's that same truck.
That's the same truck. We gotta shut this shit.
Hold up. Hold up, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all when truck's coming.
Yo, this shit is open.
We going back? I mean, the video wasn't that long, y'all. I mean, I don't think it's, we still finna, we just showed y'all a little sneak peek of that. We showed y'all a sneak peek of that. Hey, Ron, I told them that we showed them a sneak peek of that. But next time, if they get the video to 10 likes, we go,
10 likes.
we go here, cause they don't got that much. We go here, we.
Your phone? Yeah. My shit broke.
So, that's it.
Like that.
If we gonna go back there at nighttime.
The other way is quicker.
Hey, you heard me sister? We
That
go,
way. This thing we gotta jump.
if we get 10 likes tomorrow, we can go back there at
Why is you
nighttime.
on your phone like that?
We gonna go back. You trying to, sister?
Shit, I don't know how to get down. Sincere, you do it. Oh, yeah.
I forgot all about that.
Jump down on that.
Well, I'm gonna jump down when I can just walk on that shit.
Listen, hold on, y'all. Listen. Y'all hear that water?
Watch
Let's
out.
go!
Y'all hear that water?
Y'all wanna try to go down there?
Oh, watch out.
No.
Hell no.
That shitty border ass water.
I mean, somebody got a flashlight.
Everybody got a flashlight.
Somebody
Your mind.
What people gotta do at the top of this? That nigga gonna fall and bust their ass in the water.
Nigga, shut up.
I'm just worried about the fucking snake.
I'm just worried about fucking me busting my ass.
Alright, tell us to again. Alright, girl. Alright, y'all, look, it's a whole fucking blow match. They didn't laugh me. Oh, look, you see them? Huh? They done fucking left my ass. It's good, though. Nigga, I'm coming. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get y'all later.